SSC Maths Part 2 Chapter 4 Similarity. Property of three parallel lines and their transversals. Property of three parallel lines and their transversals. Okay. What is the statement? The ratio of the intercepts. The ratio of the intercepts made on a transversal. Made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercepts made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. Okay, what is the statement? Here T1 is a transversal, T2 is another transversal, and these three are the parallel lines. Then what the statement says? The intercepts. What are the intercepts? AB, BC, PQ and QR are the intercepts of transversal T1 with these three lines, these three parallel lines, and these are the intercepts made by transversal T2 on these same three lines which are parallel. Okay, so first we have given here here is the three parallel lines L, M and N are three parallel lines, and T1 is a transversal which intersects lines L, M and N at points A, B, C, and T2 is a transversal, is another transversal. T2 is another transversal which intersects line L, M and N at points P, Q and R. At points P, Q, R respectively. Okay, to prove this we have to do the construction. First step is first what we have to prove here? To prove, we are right here, to prove. What we have to prove? AB upon BC is equals to PQ upon QR. AB upon BC is equals to PQ upon QR. This we have to prove. Okay, so for that we have to do the construction. What is the construction? We are joining this. Okay, we are joining this and giving the name as D here. So construction, join, or we can write like that, draw segment AR such that it intersects line M at point D. So such that A dash D dash R. A dash D dash R. Okay. A dash D dash R. It means that A, D and R lie on same line, and B dash D dash Q. B dash D dash Q. These 3 points are also on the same line. Okay. Now we are starting the proof. What are the proof? This we are done the construction. We have done the construction and about the proof. Okay. What is the proof? In triangle ACR. This is the triangle ACR. What we are looking? BD is parallel to QR. In triangle BD is parallel to CR. What is the reason? Given. Okay. BD parallel to CR. These are the parallel lines. So this is the given. And if BD is parallel to CR, then according to basic proportionality theorem, what we can write here? We can write AB upon BC is equals to AD upon DR, and give the equation number 1. What is the reason? BPT theorem. According to BPT theorem. Okay. Same as in triangle APR. AP is parallel to DQ. AP is parallel to DQ. What is the reason? This is also given. Parallel lines, line M and LN, M are parallel lines. And same, according to basic proportionality theorem, what we can write here? AD upon DR is equals to PQ upon QR. AD upon DR is equals to PQ upon QR. PQ upon, and give the equation number 2. What is the number of this equation? Equation number 2, and the reason? Same, basic proportionality theorem, BPT theorem. Okay, then here is no need to write the theorem, the BPT. Okay. So 1 and 2, according to equation number 1 and equation number 2, what we can write? We can write that AB upon BC is equals to PQ upon QR. AB upon BC is equals to PQ upon QR. What is the reason? According to from 1 and 2. What we can write? Hence proof. What it means that if 1 is equals to second and second is equals to third, then third is equals to first. Okay. So by equation number 1 and equation number 2, we can prove that AB upon BC is equals to PQ upon QR.